Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 15. I'm working today. I spent the night at Sam's last night. But yeah, I'm about to go and get some McDonald's. I'm gonna get an iced latte and maybe some pancakes depending on how I feel. That's what I'm doing, yeah. Alright, I'm at work now. I got an iced latte. I got my hotcakes. I'm really...
Do you like just the totals or the whole lot?
Just the totals, please. So yeah, I'm gonna have those now. Okay, Mum and I are just going to do some errands now, aren't we? We have to get some stuff for work, so that's where we're going now. But my mum has to go to her doctor's appointment first. Okay, we just did some shopping in town after my mum's doctor's appointment. I got a bubble tea. I got a iced tea grape, a grape iced tea, and it's a slushy one. We're going back to work for a little bit now, and then I think we have to do some other things over at Eastlands. Okay, so my mum just did what she had to do at work. I just called my insurance company because I had to talk to them about getting my claim and everything. So that's all done now. I just need to go to the repair shop and get a quote. My excess is $1,600, but it's a lot better than paying full price. Depending though, they said it might actually be cheaper than that to fix the car, and in that case I'll just go privately and pay whatever it is. But if it is obviously more than the $1,600, I'm better off going through the insurance and then only having to pay that $1,600. So it'll be $1,600 at most. But yeah, my mum and I are going to Eastlands now. She's going in her car and I'm going in mine because we're driving home after this. So yeah, but anyway, see you guys soon. Okay, we are done at Eastlands now. I didn't vlog anything in there just because it's too hard. Like, just because it's only mum and I today. We had like the whole trolley and like heaps of bags and stuff, just because obviously we're doing lots of shopping. So yeah, it was kind of just too hard to vlog. But we just got some more Christmas presents, and then we also just got some lunch, just some chips and chicken strips and stuff. But now I'm gonna head home. Alright, so I got home a little while ago and I just had a nap and then did some YouTube stuff, and now I'm heading in to take Sam to get some tea. I told him that I would take him in so I didn't have to get Uber Eats because it's way too expensive. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So yeah, talk to you guys soon. With Sam now, we just got some tea. I just got a Sprite because I'm honestly not hungry, but Sam got some dinner. Okay, I'm home now and I just uploaded my 2 videos for today, an hour before the day ends. So but yeah, they're still up, so that's all that matters. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. I'm very tired. It's my sister's birthday tomorrow and we have to wake up very early, so I chose the wrong night to stay up late. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.